If you love Chinese food and crispy pork belly, this recipe is for you. It's lechon Macau, made in an air fryer, and this is how I made it. Mm. Ganito ako gumawa ng lechon Macau sa bahay. It's very simple to do, but it's restaurant quality and gagamit tayo ng air fryer. So, meron tayong piece of pork dito, pork belly, at tinanggal ko yung kanyang mga ribs. Oh. This one is just a pot of boiling water, and I will season with salt, then konting black pepper, then ito, meron akong bawang, which I will just smash, no? And lalagay ko yung ating garlic, my pork belly into the pot, and let it simmer for a few minutes. Ito siya mga 20 to 25 minutes, lutuin lang natin yung ating pork belly. While waiting for our pork to partially cook, gagawin natin yung ating marinade para sa ating lechon Macau. So I have a bit of oyster sauce, a touch of sugar, around a teaspoon of sugar, 5 spice powder, around a teaspoon, black pepper, Chinese rice wine. Just blend everything together, and we will add around a teaspoon or so of Maggi Magic Sarap. Blend all of that together. For our rub, we will also combine a teaspoon of salt, the rest of our Maggi, ground black pepper, and a touch of 5 spice. So we have two mixtures, the wet mixture and the dry mixture. Our pork belly has been cooking for around 15 minutes. Yan. And titignan natin, ang gusto natin mangyari, natutusok agad yung skin when we poke with the fork. So, ibig sabihin, ito, medyo matigas-tigas pa. We will let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Put that back. Pinapalambot natin yung ating skin para later on, when it puffs up, hindi siya makunat, no? So, we want that to be perfect, kaya relax lang tayo. This is a dish you can prepare at home na very satisfying. Napakasimple lang ng proseso natin, but it always turns out perfect. So ito, ang ginagawa natin ngayon ay lechon Macau. But if you simplify the seasoning, pwede na siyang maging lechon kawali. Pero ito siya perfect. It goes with anything and everything. Pang-topping mo sa pansit, pang-topping mo sa gulay, served on its own, may side na pickled vegetables. Napakasarap. And ito yung favorite namin at madali lang siyang ituro at mautos mo the next time you make it. Master mo lang yung technique and I promise you, you will have lechon Macau all the time, anytime you crave it, as long as may patience kang gumawa. So if you're liking this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel. Ihanda ko na yung aking air fryer dahil madali lang itong gawin. No? So twice cooked to halos yung ating pork belly. First boiled, then second cooking natin is air fried. And napakabango nito pag maluto with the addition of the 5 spice powder. Kung wala kang 5 spice powder, just omit it. Don't worry. Yan. Ito siya, hindi siya fully cooked ha. Atin lang dito, we want to make the skin tender para when we cook it later, maging very crisp siya. And magiging perfect yung ating lechon Macau. Yan, no? Medyo natutusok na natin yung skin natin. So, it means pwede na to in a little while. And I think our pork belly is done and perfect. You can use this broth to make soup or to add to your other recipes. Panggawa ng sarsa, whatever. And tama lang yung tenderness ng ating skin. Now, let's put this pork out. And very important ngayon, we will poke holes into the skin. Yan na, bubutas-butasan natin yan, no? If you try to pierce it with the fork at hindi siya lumulusot, hindi siya nabubutas, ibig sabihin, kulang pa sa lambot yung skin. But this is perfect. Yan. Tatabi natin to. And we will make this more flavorful by scoring the flesh of our pork belly. We will make this more flavorful by marinating our pork belly, no? Going deep into our pork. Yan. We will just cut it. And we will be using our wet marinade for this. Add it there, no? Between the meat. And I will transfer this pork belly into a piece of aluminum foil. So let's marinate our pork belly. So all the flavors are there. Ganun. Now let's turn this around. Ganyan. And let's wipe the skin. Diba, may butas-butas to. And we will secure the sides of our pork belly. And ang ating rub, I will just add a little bit of oil to my dry mixture, my magic sarap, black pepper, and 5 spice powder. Make a paste out of it and rub it to the skin. No? Be sure to rub it really well, and I promise you, sobrang sarap nitong lechon Macau pag maluto. And we are ready. Let's put it into our air fryer. Put our pork belly, our soon-to-become lechon Macau, at lulutuin na natin yung ating pork belly. Ito kasi siya, 30 minutes lang tong ating dial. We will cook it for 30 minutes at 160 degrees para mag-dry yung ating skin. After 30 minutes, ulitin naman natin yung pagluto for another 15 to 20 minutes at 200 degrees. So una, papatuyuin muna natin yung ating skin. Second cooking natin, papagawin na natin crispy-crispy yung ating skin para perfect talaga yung ating lechon Macau. Eto na. It's almost done, and let's check on our lechon Macau, which I think is already crispy. Oh. So alam mo, kailangan mo siyang pahinginan para maging totally crispy siya. It's beautiful, crispy, and juicy dahil yung ating pork meat is protected by the foil on the side. No, tabi natin to. Beautiful, no? Yan. And very important dito is you have to let the skin aerate, no? Dapat pahanginan mo siya ng konti para maging crispy talaga siya. So, eto, yung ating pork. Look at that, no? Perfect, beautiful. Napakabango, no? We will let that cool down. And eto, yung ating drippings. We will not let that go to waste. We will make a beautiful dipping sauce with all of this goodness. And we are making a very delicious and savory dipping sauce. So, eto, a little bit of hoisin. Ito mga 1 to 2 teaspoons of hoisin sauce. A tablespoon or 2 of oyster sauce. Yan. Kasama dito yung drippings ng ating pork, ha? Yung lechon Macau. A little bit of soy sauce. Yes, there. Sugar. So, you control the sweetness, ha? Huwag masyadong matamis. So, just spray a tablespoon or so. And slurry to thicken. Blend everything together. Bring it to a simmer, and we have our dipping sauce for our lechon Macau. And to finish, I'm just adding a little bit of honey for a more complex sweetness. Konti lang. Ang sarap nito, no? So that's it. At crispy na yung ating lechon Macau. Let's slice it. Babaliktarin ko, ha, para ma-slice natin ng maayos. Ay? Nice, oh. Look at that, oh. Lagay muna natin yung ating sauce para ready na tayo to dip. Sweet savory sauce. Lagyan natin dito. And now, let's slice our lechon Macau. Dito natin yung ating lechon Macau. Kung gusto nyong mas maganda yung slices niyan, huwag nyong madalain. Palamigin nyo muna. Pero napakasarap. Nakakatakam na kasi. Perfect siya. Flavorful. Oh my God. Juicy. Yan, no? Crispy. Ang skin. And then yung laman niya, very savory. Dip it in your sweet sauce. Masarap din dito, suka. But I will taste for the end time. Ang sarap. Super perfect ang inyong lechon Macau. Napakasarap, malasa. And this is our air-fried lechon Macau. Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.